for those people that watch our vlog or been watching it, I mean, we just been really monitoring like what a lot of the vloggers been saying, not just us. I mean, look, we're just average Joes just trying to get by and see what we would like. But Godfather of Vlog actually vlogged yesterday, which is awesome. I enjoyed his vlog the most. Casey's.
Yeah, he had a very interesting take.
Yeah, his take is always very good. And like you said, one of the things that they didn't mention was the fact that it is it's a new device, not just because it's a new device from Apple. It's actually a new genre. It's not like the Quest 3, because the Quest 3 has to be attached to a computer, right?
Yeah.
This is an individual computer.
Yeah, the way we were looking at it after Casey's video was more that it's like an iPad, but you're no longer confined to just the screen.
Yeah, I mean, so let's see what they got. All right, you know where we're heading again?
Yeah, we're back again.
We're back again. Where are we going?
We're back at church. We're back at Apple.
We're going back to Apple. We just gotta look at it again because we saw so many reviews and it's just been really
It's such
cool.
an interesting device. It's like, I don't know. We say all the time tech has stagnated these days, but it's...
But this is the first time a tech that's really
this
exciting.
is an outlier. It's been a long time, but it's a new device.
Dude, it is packed. It is packed. There's a lot going on.
There's a lot of people.
But, hey, excuse me. Do you have any more Vision Pros? You do?
If you want, you can chat with my friends here. We can see what we can do to get you. But one thing I will say, when you're filming in store, just please don't film anyone else or any employee.
No, there's just
We got you. We got you.
Yeah, if you want to chat with one of my friends.
Okay.
Are you free?
So, you still have some more. You still have more Vision Pros left?
We should.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gonna get 2 of them.
We're looking to actually purchase them. We don't want to try them on.
We tried them on yesterday.
Tried it yesterday.
Okay.
I want 2 of them. Do you just have the 256 capacity, or do you have 512?
I think we're running low on that. Let me double check.
And how much is the 512 again?
$200. Okay, yeah.
How much?
36. Yeah.
37.
36. Yeah.
Huh?
3,700.
$36.99. Thank you. Oh, do you give educational discounts? Mom is worthless now.
It's just computers and iPads.
Really? All right. Can you check to see if you have 2 of them? And I'm gonna need.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay.
Just the line one? Okay.
So, I bet you he didn't know we were gonna go pick up 2.
No, I thought we were just getting one.
I can't do it. I listen. I'm kind of selfish. I just don't want to have one because one is just for me, and I have to share. I'm an only child. But I'll get to a reason why I actually want to buy a pair later on. But for now, let's just try to get through this. So while we're here waiting and have a little bit of time, you didn't think we were going to pick up a pair now, did you?
No, I didn't think we were gonna get 2. I didn't think we were gonna get 1.
Well,
I'm gonna be honest.
I think the one was just a matter of what we want to use it for.
Yeah.
But then, even as the more reviews came out, it's like it's so individualized.
Yeah.
And once if I put certain settings I like on my Vision Pro, then if you use it, then you have, you know what I mean?
Yeah. It doesn't have an account system, so I would have had to go into the guest mode into the setup process every single time.
Right, and that's not ideal, right? That's not ideal. Okay, it is expensive. There's no doubts about that. But it's I think, as I thought about it overnight, this is just like what Casey Neistat said. This is a new genre of computing that it's going to be a forefront. We're going to be a forefront user of it. Okay. You have to be happy. But now he's got to get his prescription.
Yeah.
He didn't expect this. It's not even Christmas, dude.
It's always Christmas for us.
It's Christmas all the time. All right, stay tuned, and we'll do more vlogs about these. I'm not gonna go through the unboxing because other people have done tons of unboxing. You know what the hell is in here. You know what's in there.
You know what it looks like.
Yeah, but just to let you know, I have the 512. We have a 256. I don't know what I'm gonna do with extra capacity because it's not like you can really load things in here. But we'll figure it out. I'm sure the world will figure it out as time progresses. But till then, stay tuned. All right.
Yep.
All right. Take care.